are so excited to have the Federal Highway Administration here with us in Sparta as we celebrate this remarkable opportunity to make meaningful improvements in Wisconsin. The $8 million INFRA grant will allow us to rebuild this rest area you're looking at right now, to provide the complete comforts of a modern restroom building and new technologies to better accommodate the trucking industry's needs.
And the voices of the trucking industry is being heard, so the fact that we have safe rest areas that provide safety for the entire motoring public, not just the trucking industry.
So whether it's the Blotnick Bridge, new roads, or new rest areas, thanks to the bipartisan infrastructure law, we are able to build new infrastructure that is going to be critical to America winning the 21st century.
I was over-the-road driver for a lot of years, and these rest areas are vital to truck drivers all over America. 54 extra spots here is going to be huge.
The trucking industry is only getting bigger, so we need places to park our semis.
And I, along with other women drivers, would like to say thank you. Thank you for listening to us and for providing these needed funds for the expansion of the trucking parking.